Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Revi Hananafani. My last number is 83. I will answer the final exam question. 1. Why is it important to be knowledgeable of the topic of your presentation? Knowing the topic of our presentation is very important because the presentation is smooth and interesting when we bring it with a maximum explanation, not stuttering, and when someone asks, we can answer it. This can make the audience enthusiastic about listening to our presentation. 2. What is the meaning of understand your audience before doing the presentation? Understanding your audience before the presentation is something that must be considered. We must know who our audience will be because then our communication will be smooth so we can prepare how we will bring the presentation later in front of them. 3. Why is it good to start the presentation with telling stories or a rhetorical question? Starting a presentation by telling a story or with small question makes us relax. We will be more relaxed dealing with them. The audience will be more comfortable, entertained, and make them interested in the presentation that we bring. And also this make our presentation less boring because we don't focus on the material right away, but we talk with the audience first. 4. Why are facial expression and gestures important in your presentation? Facial expression and gesture are very important in a presentation because it is very influential with the response of the audience who saw us. The audience becomes interested and does not get tired of seeing our presentation because we can bring the atmosphere of the presentation to be more fun by using pleasant facial expression. 5. Why a presentation is considered boring and not interesting? The presentation will be considered boring and uninteresting, namely when the presenter presents by reading continuously. Because the presenter is not looking at the audience, he only focuses on the material he was reading. Expression and gesture are also very influential in this regard. Therefore, we must present with pleasant expression and not just stay in place. That's all my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.